PK Porsche Cab, PK Networks, man, undercover boss, man, entrepreneur. I tell you, man, I'm getting off right now, going back to the shop. I'm gonna show y'all again. Look at the smoke. Y'all just look at the smoke. If y'all go back to my videos and look at the city how it was in the morning when I was starting my day, nah, look at it now, puffing. Hold up, we're going over the little bridge thing now. There's that factory. Hey, this for entertainment purposes only. Y'all remember to like and subscribe. There's the other one over there to the left. Now I know y'all can see that smoke up there. I'm getting closer to that factory now. That thing is pushing smoke, boy. Look at that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep you guys right here, and y'all just keep on looking at that smoke connecting to the sky, to the firmament, up to the top of the dome, basically the snow globe that we live in, and they're puffing this fucking smoke in here. If you fucking heed the gravity and the tone of my fucking voice, look at that shit. I'm about to pull up. Let me put the fucking hazards on, bro. Put the fucking hazards on. We about to pull up. Hey! Y'all puffing that smoke and shit. Yeah. Guess what? It's me, bitches. PK, Porsche Cab. Yeah. Like a reporter, bitch. First on the scene. Hold up. Hold the fuck up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh! 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 Let's get these names and stuff. Oh! Oh! What's that? Oh! Hey, what is that? Oh, let's get that. Hold up. Wait. Let's get that. What's that, guys? Huh? What is all of that? Let's get that. Y'all remember to like and subscribe.